What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I have a break. I took off the dip powder nail already, or the dip powder, and I had some errands to do, so I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna clean up my cuticles and file. I guess my running around took a little bit too long, and I noticed this break. I was like, what the heck? When did my nail tear? I didn't feel it. I don't know, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I don't know if you've seen my other video, but I had a very bad break on my thumb, and I repaired it with toilet paper. I'm gonna say tissue paper, but that's completely different texture. So I think today I'm just going to repair it with nail glue, which I have right here. In my previous video I had said that I do prefer the brush on glue as opposed to the droplets, because the droplets you drop and it just expands. But for natural nails to repair, the best thing is this brush on glue. Oh, and diamonds too. That droplet is good for diamond application. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to use this that was in my Kiss kit. Okay, I don't want to crack it like this one was, which is why I needed the toilet paper, so I'm just gonna apply the glue. I'm gonna wait till this dries, and I'll probably apply 2 more coats, but I don't want it to get too thick like this. This one looks like that again because it has the toilet paper and the dip powder, and there's like a whole open piece right here, but I'm pretty sure it's grown out already. I'm gonna do the same color, but the same colors, but I'm gonna do them all different than this hand. I'm gonna apply the activator because I just want to buff and file and shape, and so I'm just gonna harden the acrylic dip and yeah, file. Oop, make sure it doesn't touch your skin. And yeah, so let that dry for a little bit. I actually really like the fact that this is so transparent, like a natural nail. I think I might just do 1 or 2 layers on here because they're hard, yes, but because this is a break, I don't specifically trust it, and because I've already been through a break with the Kiss brand, I'm gonna do 2 layers of the natural Kiss powder on top of this and do the same thing, apply the activator, file, and then apply my colors. So if you want to see how that turns out, make sure you stay tuned for the next video.